There it is, the Boblov F2 body cam. It's kind of a re-unboxing. I already unboxed it and I was using it for a while. And I have a few thoughts on it. Get this out of the way. Nice little camera. We'll get back to that in a minute. Show you what else is in the box. The usual crap, you know, short clip on your clothes, USB Type-C cable, long clip onto your belt or whatever. Windshield mount, so you can use it as a dash cam. It just clips right in like that. Use it as a dash cam, clip it to your windshield. Dual, you know, USB, so you can plug it into your, they don't call it a cigarette lighter anymore. Power outlet, I guess, whatever the hell they call it these days on cars. This is the USB adapter for the, you know, plug it into the wall so you can charge it. That's it. Alright, so here we have the camera itself. Dual screens, you got a screen in back, and we got a small screen up top. You got the USB Type-C, you got your video record button in front, and a picture taking button in front. Lens, infrared lights, 2 indicators above, one for power and one for, it shows when you're recording. On the side, you get the function button. Actually, let me turn it on right now and just show you the hell with it. Turn it on like that. Starts up. Green indicator indicates there's power going to it, or you know, it's in standby mode. Top, you got a nice little screen right there, so when you're looking down at it, when it's, you know, mounted to your chest and you're looking down, you can see all the you know, all the sort of vital information. Time, that's the time. It's 2:15 in the morning. I'm recording this. Yeah, I know. That's a very busy life I have, but let's just say that this is the only time I get to do this. You got the, you know, the power battery indicator, what time it is, space left on the disc, the Wi-Fi, whether it's on or off, GPS, whether it's on or off, and there you go. You got the you know, the clip to mount it to your clothes, the bracket. It just goes right in. Just mounts right in and rotates. You clip it onto your clothes, your shirt, your jacket, whatever. They also sell magnetic mounts to mount it too. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get those. To unclip it, that's it. It's on, it's in standby mode. You got all your information in front. The resolution, the aspect ratio, 16:9, frames per second. You know, all the usual crap, time, date, stamp. Okay, so these three, you get 3 buttons in front. Menu, which takes you into your menu. This is down, this is up. So you can go into your settings, the resolution. It shows you what the resolutions are. I set it to 1440, the highest one. To get out of it, you hit this power button once. I'm not gonna go through every one, but you know, you get an idea. Let's see, picture resolution. Burst mode, on or off, Wi-Fi on or off, self-timer, quality. I always set that for the highest one, so it's the highest quality when you're recording. Pre-record, post-record, car DV mode, you could use it as a dash cam if you want. Loop recording on or off, split time, you can set it for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever you want. Slideshow, infrared manual or automatic, whether or not you want the infrared lights to come on automatically at night. Record warning. Video, mute. I think it's for the sound. Global positioning, the GPS, you can set that on or off. Time zone, depending on where you live, you set that up. Language, self-explanatory. Screensaver, LCD brightness, high, low, medium. Auto power off, how long you want it before the power goes off so you don't drain your battery. Indicator lights on or off on the front. Ketone on or off. If it annoys you could turn that off. Volume, you could set where you want the volume. You could set it down or up if it annoys you. Coding format H.264 or H.265, you could choose that. You set the date, ID setting, password on or off, change user password, default setting if you have to return to factory settings, format the SD, or the, well, it doesn't use an SD card, but format the, you know, the internal memory and the version of software that you use, and that's it. You want to record something, you hit this on front, and it starts recording. Stop recording, you have to long press. It's gonna vibrate once when you start recording. Short press, and it's gonna, and you long press to stop recording. You can feel it vibrate twice, which indicates that it's now in standby mode. It has stopped recording. It does have quick record function if you turn it off completely. And you long press this for, I think it's 3 seconds. It immediately starts video recording. So if someone's yelling at you or threatening your life or anything like that, you can instantly just start recording them. To stop recording, you just, you know, you long press again. You can feel it vibrate twice. It's back in standby mode now. To take a picture, you hit that button. And this also works while you're recording. You could also, you know, So if you're recording, and you hit the front, you can take a picture while recording as well. So it works just as well. So there you go. To play back your files when it's in standby mode, you just hit that, and you can play back. You just select which one you want to play back, and you can play it back. So if you want to play something back, you just, you hit OK.
Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3.
And then you can fast forward, pressing that, or rewind, pressing that. So there you go. Nice little camera. In standby mode to manually turn on the infrareds. If you're in a dark environment, you just long press the function button. So there you go. Now the LEDs are on. Turn it off, long press it again. Back in normal mode now. I think that's pretty much it. Function, short press function. It turns on the microphone. Audio record function. Press it again, stops it. Back in standby mode now. So there you go. I like this. But one little problem with this that I seem to get with a lot of these cameras is the rattling. I don't know if you could hear that. I don't know if the microphone's picking it up, but you can hear the rattling. And especially when you use this, and if you're moving around a lot, you could hear rattling. Which, I don't know what that is exactly. It sounds just like the, if you turn the infrared lights on, that click that it makes, it's the same kind of sound. So it might have something to do with that. Like if you turn the infrared on, that click you hear, or off, it's similar to the sound that you get to hear when it's rattling. But anyhow, I like this little camera a lot compared to the size of my other body cam. Compared to my, B4K1, this is a size comparison. Top. B4K1 and F2. What else? Oh, the width. And yeah, they're pretty much the same size. Pretty much. The B4K one might be a little bit bigger, just a tiny bit bigger. Pretty much the same size. They both feel solid, But, there'll be a link in the description where you can get both of them. So, there you go. What else is there about this thing? I like the screen. Oh yeah, when you're recording, it's the time right here, and it shows the, the timer starts, how long it's recording. When you stop recording, it goes back to normal, the time that it is, the clock, I should say. So there you go. The F2 body cam. It's waterproof and there's no stabilization. Okay, so when it's charging, there's a green indicator and a blue indicator. The blue indicator indicates it's charging. There's some technical specifications for you. Oh, it uses an Ambarella H282. Interesting. It's the same one that's in my DJI Osmo, the original one. And video bitrate is around, 24 megabits per second in 1440p. So that's pretty good. It says recording time 8 to 10 hours. Charging time 3 hours. Okay. Power off. Status. I think it supports charging and recording at the same time. Let me see. It does. It's charging and recording at the same time. It does support charging and recording simultaneously. Each file takes up, if I remember, each 10-minute file in 1440p takes up around, it's a little under 2 gigabytes. It's like 1.7 to 1.8 gigabytes, something like that. Waterproof IP54. It uses also a, I never used them, but it's got an app to connect to, to your phone, and you can view stuff remotely. That's the name of it. And, you can download it if you want. But I never use those things. Hardly ever. I just use it as a regular body cam. So you can go, all the information is in the owner's manual if you want. GPS functioning, all that kind of stuff. Everything here, you have everything you need here. Read up on it. So yeah, there'll be a link in the description where you can get it, and thanks for watching. Alright, check 1 2 3, check 1 2 3. We're testing out the Boblov F2 body cam as a dash cam. The Boblov F2 body cam as a dash cam, see how it does. As I try to avoid getting into an accident here. I mean, the color reproduction of this thing is great, you know. Nice, I guess nice saturation of colors. Looks good. It doesn't look like complete garbage, you know. It's not going to be GoPro quality or anything like that, but you know, for 150 bucks, 160 bucks, I expect it to be good. But I don't expect this though, the rattle. I love the camera, but the rattle. I don't know, they got to do something about that. When you're moving around, you're going to hear this. License plate test under various lighting conditions, darkness, headlights, low beams. All right. What is this? The Boblov F2 body cam. I've got it mounted via chest mount, the magnetic chest mount to my shirt, so hopefully it won't shake around too much. I don't know. Side door on left. Ring bell. That's one. The next one is literally a block away. Right? Yeah, 34. Okay. So there's the red door. Here. Ring bell twice. Okay. That's it. Delivered. $10 number 2.
You got it.
Thank you.